In this video, friends, I will show you step by step how to buy Robux on Eldorado platform. So guys, log in your account if you don't have account, and then look for popular option from here, and then go to Roblox. After that, friends, search for Roblox you want to buy. For example, just wait back and click on this Roblox from here, and then look for any quantity you want to buy, for example 100 or 1000, and click buy now option, and then just wait. You should be, guys, log in your account. This is the first step you need to do. I want to log in, for example, with my Google account. After that, friends, log in your Google account, and then after login you see this page, checkout. From here, write your payment method, credit card, and then click continue payment, and then write your details for your payment, your such credit card and billing details and your countries, and click pay. This is how you can do, guys. It is easy steps. Thanks for watching this video.